Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Congratulations! You've reached the final episode of our English course series. Today, we'll bring everything together and practice everyday conversations. Throughout this series, you've learned how to introduce yourself, talk about your family, describe your daily routine, discuss your hobbies, and communicate in many everyday situations. These are essential skills for speaking English confidently. Let's look at an example. Hi, my name is Sarah. I work as a teacher. In my free time, I enjoy reading. Last year, I visited Thailand. Next year, I plan to learn Spanish. In my opinion, learning English opens many opportunities. This conversation combines many of the skills you've learned throughout the course. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself. Talk about your family. Share your hobbies. Describe a past experience. And tell us about one future goal. You can pause the video if you need more time. Then comment your answers below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.